Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. First of all, open the Visual Studio Code application on your PC. You'll see your recent project right on your screen. Now, navigate to the Extensions section from the menu on the left-hand side. Inside it, search for GitHub Copilot in the search bar. After that, click on the first extension that appears and select the Install button. Now patiently wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in using your GitHub account. Click on the Sign In button, authorize the action, and proceed with it. After signing in, return to the VS Code application and begin typing your code. So that's all for this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. Thanks for watching.